10 great space-saving ideas. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the top 10 great space-saving ideas. The modern space is filled with a plethora of things, from the technology that we use to the furniture that we use. But space saving can be done on a variety of different levels, and it can be done easily. There are plenty of things that you can do to save space in your home. However, there are some rather creative solutions that you may not have thought of. Those who are looking for ways to maximize space in their living rooms, office or kitchen have to invest in items that are simply designed to maximize space efficiency in small spaces. With this in mind, here at Tech Peek, we have scoured the internet for the best space-saving ideas, from the smart kitchen to living room solutions. I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. ORIGAMI Foldable Computer Desk. This is a computer desk for office, studying, bedroom, home gaming and craft. It opens and folds in 60 seconds. It makes it easy for you to do work on your projects, and it's easy to be folded for use when it's needed. You just need to pop it open, add the top and make a complete desk, which is ideal for storage and space saving. It is excellent for laptops, tablets, crafting and reading, and it requires no assembly and no tools are required for setting up. It just retails at $169.99. Wall-mounted ironing board. This is a board mounted on a wall for ironing purposes. It is easy to install and great at saving space. The swivel range is 180 degrees when it is folded or unfolded. It can even be locked in left, right or inclined to fit the space in your room. The board's height position is adjustable to fit your length. It comes with a washable ironing board cover that allows a user to wash it and keep it clean all the time. Its size is 23.6 inches in length, 16.2 inches width and 7.5 inches in height. It is made of plastic-coated steel material, but the washable board cover is made of aluminum-coated cotton cover. Its price starts at $149.99. Goliath Extending Console Dining Tables. A piece of modern space-saving furniture that allows you to easily hide the table against a wall, or extend it to a full-width dining table that can accommodate up to 12 people. When the table is needed, it can be quickly and effortlessly be transformed from 17 inches to 115 inches in 10 seconds, where it is used as a table. It is made of carefully selected hardwoods that are beautiful and durable. The table utilizes an aluminum telescopic mechanism for the transformation, and it is available in a variety of lacquer and wood veneer finishes. It retails for just $3,600, but the price is worth the product. Gotchi Foldable Kitchen. The Gotchi Foldable Kitchen is a great space-saving kitchen accessory for those of us who enjoy cooking. It is an excellent product that is a small and compact foldable kitchen that redefines the meaning of having a flexible modern kitchen design. It consists of 4 products that are used in separate elements. Ice Hot, which has a fridge, deep freezer and oven. Dishmaster, which is a dishwasher. Side Cooker, which is a cooker. Panelli, which are screens. The appearance and functions can be changed easily by mounting and dismounting the kitchen appliances that you will need, so you can just design your ideal kitchen that adjusts to your living space. Also, when it is not in use, you can fold the kitchen and pack it to save space. This way you can save space in the kitchen, and it is also useful in storing when not in use. The Gotchi Foldable Kitchen is a must-have for all those who would like to save space and keep their kitchen neat. Diz Concept PIA Pop-Up Kitchen. This space-saving kitchen item is ideally designed for small apartments, tourist rentals and offices. It just takes 1.6 square meters of space. When it is closed, it looks like a living room cabinet with a TV. When its doors are open, it provides an optimal work environment. The arrangement at the base presents the dishwasher, waste disposal cabinet, integrated refrigerator, and a base cabinet with a shelf and drawer. The upper cabinets present the fully integrated hood, open shelf for placing a freestanding microwave oven, LED lighting, and electricity sockets. The deep doors, which are 15 centimeters, can be used to store a lot of dishes, utensils, ingredients, and groceries. It is a small solution for limited spaces, and it is easy to install, so you can enjoy maximum functionality of your valuable limited space. Nuo Voliola 10 Queen Size Murphy Bed. Have you been looking for a wall bed to save more space at home? Your research process stops here. This bed features a modern queen-size wall bed with a sofa. It features an aluminum base that is well integrated with the cable assist gadget. It is an ideal sofa bed for small apartments, guest rooms and hotels. It is designed and made in Italy. They can be installed in the middle of the room and used as a room divider too. With this bed, you can save a lot of space in your apartment. It can also be ordered with or without the padded sofa arms. Living Cube by KONNEKER. Swiss designer KONNEKER presents a living cube for apartments that lack storage or have limited space available. The first thing that comes to mind when you hear the word cube is usually a square or a rectangle. But the living cube is something else. It's like the IKEA shelving unit, but smaller, more sophisticated and eco-friendly. It is just 4 meters by 1.4 meters and 2.05 meters in height. It features an extensive storage wall, a bed at the top which is accessed by a ladder, a room that is within a cube that can work as an office space or music studio. It combines up to 10 pieces of furniture, including a TV space, bookshelf, clothes, office space, shoe rack, closet, minibar and additional storage space. You can also request a custom-made one from the manufacturer, which can be customized in terms of size and components. Smart Kitchen by Filigrano. The Smart Kitchen has been developed by Filigrano as a space-saving solution for people who would like to save space and make the most of their kitchen. The Smart Kitchen is available in various sizes and has various functions. It has a black steel body, a glass door cabinet, and a stainless steel sink. It has a digital display and remote control that is easy to use. The Smart Kitchen has a wireless control panel that is connected via Wi-Fi. It features a remote control used to open the drawers, outer panels, which can be removed to make cleaning easier. It has the refrigerator drawer, which is right under the top. It has separate drawers which are organised in a way that kitchen appliances can fit well. This Smart Kitchen is surely a modern and technologically advanced design that anyone would like to use at their home. Ludovico Office. Designed by the award-winning designer Claudio Sibel, the Ludovico Office offers a spectacular space-saver solution that compacts a small office into a tiny area. It features a chair that can be nestled between 2 drawers and a filing cabinet. It can be transformed from a small kitchen to a functional office workspace. It allows users to save space as it hides a chair inside the cabinet, allowing you to access a fully functional folding desk. The bottom file cabinet and 2 drawers can be used to store files for office purposes. It comes with a chair, cabinet and a desk, all with the function as working as an all-in-one micro office. Cali Duo Board. The Cali Duo is a pretty bunk bed that packs a big punch, and it's perfect for the low storage apartments. It features a desk, a folding headboard that is in the lower bunk, a padded locking ladder, and an additional storage compartment at the top. It applies the pivoting mechanism that allows the desk to remain at the same level when the lower bed opens, so it makes all the items at the surface stay in place when the bed is opened. It boasts concealed pistons, a patent soft open and close mechanism, and a tilting upper bunk which allows the bedding to be easily changed. In a nutshell, these design ideas are great space-saving solutions. They're a reminder that we can find beauty every day and that life doesn't have to be just about big things. The little things can be big too. The list of the top 10 best space-saving ideas at your home or office will surely help you save space and also make your home look more stylish. If you're looking for a place to grab a seat, a place to work, or a relaxed place to chat with a friend, you will find something nice in this collection. If you do not have a lot of space, you can be sure to find something here. That's a wrap for Top 10 Great Space-Saving Ideas for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the best gaming laptops 2021. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.